Here's a demonstration on how Centro allows you to pass in information from Slack directly into Salesforce for a Slack Connect use case. What we often hear from our customers is we want our customers to be able to create cases or comments in Slack and have them create those records in Salesforce. Using an automation user, Centro allows that. In addition to that, we want to allow you to pass in information about who's creating that information from the information stored in Slack. We do that using merge tags that you can then populate into your Centro form or through platform events. Here you can see a Centro form that is created for a new Slack Connect case. This can be triggered through an emoji reaction or a button press. Once you move down to the place where you can add your fields in your displayed fields, you can add fields and then use the merge tags to properly populate additional information about the user, the channel, and the message directly into the case form. In this example, I have a subject, and maybe in the subject I want to add the message that was posted to Slack. By using this double bracket format, I can pass in the message directly to the form. Additionally, if the channel is linked to an account, I can pass in the account ID using the merge tag linked account ID. I have several fields that I can use to pass in information about who posted the message to Slack or who triggered the case creation. Those include things like the user email and so on. Here in Centro's support page, I can see all of the merge tags you have access to, including user ID, user email, and username. Additionally, another way you can pass in information is using the Centro platform event. If you look in Workflow Setup, there are several ways to trigger the platform event to send. So you can do that on the emoji reaction to any message. If you go ahead and hit and take a look at these options, you'll see when the form is added, you can also select Fire Platform Event. This will fire a platform event to Salesforce that you can then use a flow of platform event trigger to fire, and this will fire once the form is saved. In that platform event contains information from Slack, including the value of the record that was created, the user ID, channel ID, and message timestamp, as well as the text of the message and the message user's information as well. Again, when I mention the form name, that will be passed in as the API name of the platform event. These are all examples of how you can pass through information from Slack to Salesforce to enhance your Slack Connect use case. Please reach out with any questions.